Hey everybody, I'm Ken. This is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and it's time to give away another set of guitar plans. Okay, so what I did is a couple of these plans, well actually a lot of these plans I've never printed out before. So what I'm doing is I'm taking them down to Staples and I'm printing them out just to make sure they're in the right scale. And what I have here are the last set of plans, that Bye Bye Cali one. These are for the 58 Explorer. Let's take a little closer look at those. There we go. There's the artist who drew them out. And here's the little known 58 Explorer headstock variances. Though both of those they're just a little different. And there's the hockey stick that we've known to come and love. And these are printed out full size, so that's full size there. Looking at these, apparently there's a couple different ways you can take care of the neck angle here. You can put a small filler space in there, or you can angle the front of the body and just attach the fretboard to it. So that's pretty cool. You make your control cavity route here. So I would suggest probably printing maybe 2 copies of this. I printed out 2. I have the second one here for the second giveaway. But both of these were under 10 bucks to have them printed out. So it's 10 bucks for the 2 of them. So let's roll this sucker up and take a look at the second set of plans I'm going to give away. Alright, the second set of plans I'm giving away is for a Les Paul Custom. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You got everything here. I'm going to cut out the headstock inlays. Got all the dimensions here. Got your headstock angle, headstock shape. And just so you know, you can actually build a guitar from these plans. I used these plans to build this. Quite a while ago, as a matter of fact. You guys want to build a Les Paul Custom? What are we gonna do? Yeah, do the comments again. Tell me who your favorite Les Paul Custom player is, and what you think about the Les Paul Custom. My opinion is, this is one guitar. Now there are very few guitars which fit this category for me, but this guitar, the Les Paul Custom, looks just at home in the hands of a jazz player as it does a death metal guitar player. Very few guitars look at home in both hands. So, down in the comments, who's your favorite Les Paul Custom player, and why you like the Les Paul Custom. Okay? And we'll be back in a week to pick another winner. Okay, so if you think I deserve it, please click the like button. You could help me out by sharing this video in as many places as you can. That would be awesome. And if you're not subscribed, please do so, because they're going to be giving away more plans in the future, and you're going to want to know about those. So, until the next time we see you, you guys behave yourself. Peace.